This gonna be dope. What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? I'm about to freestyle. Check me out. I'm sitting here eating cinnamon toast crunch. When I was a little kid, I didn't have a lunch when I went to school, so I had to get the free or reduced just so I could eat. But I got that free, and I was eating every day, but today still my meat. And I told the bully at the schoolhouse, you better not touch my food, for I'll punch you in your mouth. And he tested me one more time. Then I hit him in his chin. He turned around again and went back to his friends and told his friends that I'm a still a winner. And I was like, no, I ain't having all that. So I called all my homies and they had my back. Yeah, they had that too. Yeah, they had that gat. And I stuck it in his face and told him, get lost, scram. Hey, gassing. I be going in. I be going in. The day of the life of Leonard Thompson. I think I get some shout outs right now. Shout out to my boys. Toda and Deshaun, to my niggas. MTL, we out here. Shout out. Shout out to PJ, my cousin, and my homie Dom Billups. I see you. We out here. Shout out Fred, Pookie. We out here. Shout out Bass God. Shout out Big Sean. Shout out the makers of Captain Crunch, because it's some good cereal. Shout out This Milk. I don't even like milk, but shout out the milk. Yep. Shout out to all the crazy people out there in the world who try to do stuff. Shout out to cinnamon in your milk. Shout out to everybody. Shout out Bass World. Shout out Finally Famous. Shout out Good Music. Oh, shout out Meek Mill and Wale. And Ricky Rose. Oh yeah, and OVO XO. I see you. Oh yeah, and Taylor Gang, Wiz, we out here. Oh, and bye, cause I don't know what else to say. So good night.